Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2899th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. And again, thank you for tuning in. We love you guys. Your comments are fantastic. We love the way you share our videos. I will always answer all your comments. This video, 2899th installment of LiveWithOscar.com, coming at you on a Monday night for Trading Tuesday, April 22nd, 2025. Please remember, traders, this is a very risky game. Never trade without protective stops. Put them in first before you get into any live positions. So, what are we looking at for trading on Tuesday, April 22nd? Well, let's start with the bigger picture. Traders, at this point, you stay calm. Nothing has chased us out of the market. Why? We did a piece of analysis 10 days ago. That analysis said we would break down into the 49.75, 47.75 area. It literally did that like magic. It hit the area, 48.32 low, right in the middle, and rallied up 696 points to 55.28 and a quarter. Exactly what we expected. Wall Street would come in and buy it down here at the support by the big gun averages. They did that. What has happened since? Since then, we've come down just a little bit, as you can see right here. We've come down just a little. Let me make some room if I can. We came down just a little. Maybe we're going to retest. Maybe that's all that needs to happen. Lots of times, technical analysis needs a retest, right? Well, let's make that a smaller bar here. You need a retest, come back down here, see that it holds, and then out we can rally. Maybe that's what is going on here. I can say this. I do have a red OMNI for day trading on Tuesday, but bigger the weekly chart. All we've done was hit the analysis, rally up 696 points, and now we're testing possibly the area again. All we've really done was consolidate and not get down there. Bigger picture, stay calm. But of course, we're day traders, and we've got to take the OMNI day trading signals, and that brings me to something like the Russell 2000. The OMNI is absolutely bearish, red as can be, wants us to sell rallies, and look at this mess right here that we're in. Let me see if I grab this. Okay, so check this out. At this trend line, you had nothing but major issues 5 times and then a crack. Holds the bottom of it, comes back, gets under it, and 5 times tries to get above it, and now it looks like it wants to start to crack right here. So, the OMNI's red for day trading. We're certainly going to sell rallies in Russell, NASDAQ, S&P. Any of those 3 we can get a fill. The OMNI says do it. The geometry says do it as well, as I just pointed out to you. This was a very, very valid, if you will, a very valid channel, and it was holding the market in check. And we're under the channel, so it comes back and hits it, fails, hits it, fails, hits it, fails, hits it again, fails. OMNI's red. Yuck is all I got to say about that. So we will be selling indices, selling rallies and indices for trading on Tuesday. And this is spelled incorrectly. Did you notice that? It's one S up there. It says RUS instead of SS. That's better. All right, so what else is out there? Let's go take a look. I got this chart that's interesting, and I think we should watch what's going on here. The gold off to the races. Traders, remember when I said last week, I had a little note sitting right about here, and it said, can you say parabolic? Well, boy, oh boy, have we gone parabolic since. The OMNI wants to buy the dips in gold. Dips in gold seem to be the ticket, buying them. And why? Well, this fantastic channel that used to keep us in check, both tops and bottoms, has been broken through. Off to the races we go. Gold is on the run. There is no way to stop it at this moment. You can buy the dips as long as you've got a stop in and it's sensible. And what else is going up out there? There's only one other thing I see going up out there, and that's been Bitcoin. We've got gold and Bitcoin going up and the rest of the gamut getting hammered. So we're looking to buy dips in gold. I don't know what we'll do with Bitcoin, and we're absolutely going to be selling rallies in E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, and Russell 2000 for trading on Tuesday. If you join me at livewithoscar.com in my free trading room, no credit cards are required at all whatsoever. Just go to livewithoscar.com, register. There are no credit cards. You're going to get an email. It'll likely go to spam. Check your spam. Shoot the email back and join me in my live trading room. It is always live to you and it is free. I would love for you to subscribe and share these videos around town. And then don't forget this, most importantly, OMNI Camp's coming up soon, May 29th through June 2nd. 5 of you, so far we've got 2 picked. I'm leaving 3 seats open. 5 of you will join me for 5 nights, 4 days here in Las Vegas, and I will teach you the Omni, but you've got to go to omnibootcamp.com and fill out an application, which then I'll call you back on and we'll decide if you qualify for a seat out here in Vegas. Make sure you do that, omnibootcamp.com. We'd love to see you fill out that application. And then remember, keep your stops in and your emotions out. How do we do that? We place our stops first. Then we say this to ourselves over and over again. Kids, are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are rock and roll traders. That is absolute. We got other trades we're looking at as well. Make sure you come to livewithoscar.com and join me in my free live trading room. I will see all of you there.